Welcome to the Nature Girls.
Welcome to Nature Girls. Today is a special episode of Nature Girls. We actually caught two Eastern Garter Snakes at in town there, and they weren't safe because of mowing and stuff. So we're gonna release them out here. We're gonna show them a little bit of the habitat. They don't mow up here and stuff, so they will be safe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open the lid and let them come out.
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Show me. There's one.
He was eager to get out.
See where he goes. We'll do him one at a time. He's happy. Look at him. He's ready. Go a little closer, Taylor. Go a little closer. A little closer. There he goes.
There he goes. There he went.
There he goes. He's free.
Yay. Now it's.
Oh, well, there he comes.
There he goes.
There he
Wait.
comes. He's checking out everything. Look at him putting his head up.
He's going for the grass too.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Back over here. That's what you call wildlife rehabilitation and releasing the animal back in the wild. It's the best thing, ain't it, Abby? High five.